The rains are here, Marg. We are the end of October. I'm told it's usually about the 1st of November that the rainy season starts. We should have brought our little umbrellas in. And it's here. It's great for the garden. Just not good if you're going out. But the good thing is that our awning protects us. We can still sit outside here. We get a little bit of wet, but not too much. Whereas before, when it rained, it was splashing in and under the doors. Lots of thunder too. Lots of thunder. Plants are going to love it. Oh, the plants, aren't they beautiful? Beautiful. They're going to love the rain. Love. Thunderstorm. It's good to listen to the sound of the rain on the awning. I like it.